There's something incredibly satisfying about walking into your backyard, picking fresh vegetables and turning them into delicious homemade meal. Welcome to Parna Garden. Today we are harvesting beautiful green and red okra straight from the garden and making a simple, flavorful okra stir-fry, also known as Bhindi Sabzi or Bendekayi Palya. Stay with me till the end for a simple tip that keeps okra from becoming sticky. Look at these gorgeous okra pods. We have both the classic green variety and these stunning red ones. The best time to harvest okra is when the pods are about 2 to 5 inches long. They are tender, flavorful, and perfect for cooking. If you leave them on the plant too long, they become tough and woody. Freshly harvested vegetables always have the best flavor, and nothing beats cooking them just minutes after they are harvested. Let's get everything ready. First, wash the okra thoroughly and pat it completely dry. Removing excess moisture helps reduce stickiness while cooking. Trim off both top and bottom ends and then chop the okra into bite-sized pieces. Here's everything we'll need. Fresh chopped okra, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, also known as coriander leaves, 8 to 10 fresh curry leaves, 1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger, 1 chopped green chili, 2 small chopped onions, 1/4 cup grated fresh coconut, 2 chopped tomatoes, juice of half a lemon or lime, half teaspoon of your favorite spice mix such as sambar masala or rasam masala. Now let's start cooking and look into few other ingredients as we go. Heat 2 teaspoons of ghee or clarified butter in a pan over medium heat. Once it's hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon urad dal, half teaspoon cumin seeds and half teaspoon turmeric powder and also half teaspoon chana dal. Saute everything for about a minute until the dals turn lightly golden and aromatic. Next, add curry leaves and chopped ginger. Let them cook for another minute, filling the kitchen with wonderful aromas. Now add the chopped onions. Cook them until they become soft and translucent. It's time for our freshly harvested okra. Add chopped okra and gently mix everything together. Cover the pan and cook until the okra becomes tender, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. Once the okra has softened, add salt to taste. Sprinkle half teaspoon of your favorite spice mix. Now add the chopped tomatoes and mix everything well. As the tomatoes cook, you'll notice the okra releasing its natural sticky substance. Here's a simple trick. Squeeze fresh lemon or lime juice over the okra and stir gently. The acidity helps reduce the stickiness while adding a bright, fresh flavor to the dish. Continue cooking for another few minutes until the tomatoes soften and everything comes together beautifully. Finally, add the grated coconut and chopped cilantro. Give everything one last gentle mix, and that's it. Our delicious homemade Bhindi Sabzi or Bendekayi Palya is ready to enjoy. This flavorful okra stir-fry pairs wonderfully with warm chapatis, soft rotis, or a bowl of steamed rice. Simple ingredients, fresh vegetables from the garden, and homemade goodness. This is truly garden to table cooking at its best. If you enjoyed harvesting fresh vegetables and cooking along with me, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss future gardening and garden to table recipes. I would love to know what's your favorite way to cook fresh okra. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next garden adventure.